Discover, learn, and play. The ultimate LeapFrog Little Office Learning Center adventure. The LeapFrog Little Office Learning Center is a learning toy designed for young children. It offers an interactive and educational experience to help kids develop important skills while having fun. Interactive Learning Desk. This learning center is designed as a first desk for young children. It includes a laptop, phone, globe, and more, with a total of 27 electronic touchpoints to engage children in exciting imitative play. Multiple play modes. It offers 3 play modes: explore, learn, and music. In these modes, kids can explore first words, greetings, and music from around the world, engage in role-play conversations with a character named Scout, and more. Laptop learning. Children can open the laptop and start learning about shapes and animals by pressing the buttons, which reveal images of animals on the screen. This interactive feature makes learning engaging and fun. Interactive globe. The toy includes a light-up globe that allows kids to spin it and hear 10 songs and greetings from different parts of the world. This helps introduce them to global diversity and cultures. Bilingual capability. The LeapFrog Little Office Learning Center is fully bilingual, offering content in both English and Spanish. It provides access to more than 180 songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases in both languages, enhancing language development. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay happy, and we'll see you next time.